Hey, are you on TikTok and on Instagram? Well, let's repurpose your videos so that you get the most reach with the least amount of work, shall we? Hi, I'm Nicole Riley, and I teach bloggers how to become confident marketers and grow their business. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video. So if you are on TikTok and you are also on Instagram, might as well reuse that video. Now, it's very important that you remember that TikTok allows you to go up to 60 seconds on a video. Well, maybe at some point 3 minutes. Who knows when that's going to happen? And you can use that same video if it's less than 30 seconds also on Instagram. Here is the cool thing. All you have to do is download it. And if you have it automatically download, there you go. And then just upload it to Instagram. So let me show you how that actually will look like. So here you can see my crochet page for Instagram, right? This is my profile. And you can see that I have those videos right now that I just published, right? Like literally within the last few days. So yes, I may have not the biggest amount of video views, but I just started this. So it's okay. And I don't even have that many followers. That's totally fine. But I literally make sure that my videos are less than 30 seconds long so I can download them. And then all I have to do is upload them to Instagram. And as you can see right here, I did, okay? I have my last videos that done really well on TikTok. I put them on Instagram as well. They get me more followers and get me more engagement on Instagram as well. So it's easy, right? Simply take the video and move it over there. Now, it's very important that you use the right hashtags for Instagram. I would ideally suggest up to like 28 or 29. Stay in your niche when it comes to hashtags. That is true for both TikTok as well as Instagram. For TikTok, you don't have that much room to put a lot of hashtags. So I recommend 3 to 5 hashtags. And for Instagram, up to 28, 29. You can go up to 30, but I like kind of going 1 or 2 below just to make sure. And I use a variety of different hashtags, some that are really, really big. You know, in my case, it would be crochet. It's millions of them, right? And then some little ones like my own, right? Like Nikki's Homemade Craft, that's a hashtag. And then some medium ones in between. So kind of in a 1/3 ratio, right? That's specifically for Instagram. 1/3 of really big, 1/3 of medium, and 1/3 of a little bit less, like really little ones that are just up and coming. So that way you have a high chance to be shown on like page 1 right on the top, right, of that hashtag. So the same is true for TikTok. Be aware that TikTok takes a little bit longer to take off than Instagram does, but you can reuse those videos. How awesome is that? And I truly do that. And in fact, I even repurposed the video for more than just TikTok. And I give you these additional tips here in this video, and I hope you don't mind that I use the same video also for Facebook. Yes, you can literally share it over to Facebook. So here's my little sneaky trick that I do. So what you're going to do is you go to Instagram, right? You go into your normal feed. As you can see, I'm on my normal feed here, not my Reels feed. Once you see that reel on your feed, you're going to click it. And then you see on the top right corner there, you're going to see those 3 dots. You're going to click on that and click share. That's going to bring this up. And then you can share to your Facebook page. In fact, you can even share to Twitter if you like to, although Twitter might just make it into a link, not a video. But Facebook, because Facebook and Instagram are connected, you can literally make that video over there appear like you uploaded it on Facebook. You can leave all the hashtags and everything, right? That is an easy way to repurpose that reel right away over to Facebook. In fact, you can even now use the same video for Pinterest stories. If you have Pinterest stories, you can use that for that as well. You could also use it for YouTube Shorts, but there's a slight little issue with music. Your video cannot have any music on it that may have copyright issues, right? So make sure that your videos that you're using for YouTube Shorts don't have any music that you don't have a license to. So ideally it would be more kind of an educational video where you're teaching something, right? So save that TikTok also, ideally, you want to have it outside, like you filmed it outside of TikTok, and when you then imported it into TikTok, it's all good, right? And you add the music after. But you can use that same video without the music on YouTube Shorts. So wow, you can actually use that TikTok and repurpose it for so many different platforms, not just Instagram Reels. But I know you came here for Instagram Reels, so I hope this video was helpful on how to literally repurpose this video from TikTok that hopefully is going viral for you, also for Instagram Reels, and hopefully make that go viral as well. How cool. Just do the work once and repurpose it for multiple different platforms. I hope this helped you become a confident marketer and know exactly how to promote your content. I have a link down below. You can subscribe to my newsletter as well as follow me on Facebook, where you can find me as Bloggers Going Live. And of course, here on YouTube. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video or go live. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and share it with your friends. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!